The French onion pasta H. French onion pasta. A brilliant cheesy. The key to making it truly sing is getting those onions deeply caramelized and building a rich, beef broth-based sauce with plenty of Gruyère cheese. Is a one-pot style, meaning the pasta cooks in the sauce, saving you a dish and adding starch for a super creamy texture. Component key ingredients. Method notes. The onions, sliced yellow onions, butter, oil, salt, slow and low is the name of the game. Cook on medium-low for 30-45 minutes, or even an hour, until they are a deep, jammy mahogany brown. Don't rush this, it's the whole flavor base. The Flavor Base minced garlic, fresh thyme, dry white wine, or sherry. Add the aromatics, then deglaze the pot with the wine, scraping up all the tasty brown bits, fond, from the bottom. The pasta and broth, beef broth, stock, water, a short pasta, like rigatoni, orecchiette, Worcestershire sauce. Add the liquids, bring to a boil, then add the uncooked pasta. Simmer until the pasta is al dente and most of the liquid is absorbed. The cheesy sauce, heavy cream, Gruyère cheese, sometimes Parmesan. Turn off the heat, stir in the heavy cream and a generous amount of shredded Gruyère. That's the classic French onion soup cheese. Stir until it's melted, saucy, and wonderfully creamy. The finish, extra Gruyère or breadcrumbs. Some recipes turn this into a pasta bake, topping it with more cheese and broiling until golden, like the top of the soup.